Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to print your eTrade license. First, open your web browser and go to the official eTrade portal. You'll need to enter your registered username and password to log in securely. Once logged in, look for your personal dashboard or account overview. This is where you'll find all your important documents and information. Make sure you have your login details ready before you start. After logging in, you'll want to find the section dedicated to your licenses or documents. This is usually labeled My Licenses, My Permits, or something similar. Browse through the list to locate the specific trade license you wish to print. Once you've found it, click on the license name or a View button to open its details. This step ensures you're looking at the correct document. Now that you're viewing your license, look for a Print or Download button, often found at the top or bottom of the document. If you download it, it will likely be a PDF file. Before printing, review the document to ensure all details are correct. Select your printer from the available options and adjust any settings, such as page orientation or paper size, if necessary. Confirm your printer is connected and has enough paper. Once you've printed your physical copy, it's a good idea to save a digital version as well. This provides a backup in case the physical copy is lost or damaged. Store both your printed license and the digital file in a secure and easily accessible location. Consider creating a dedicated folder for important business documents. This ensures you can always retrieve your eTrade license when needed, whether for display or verification.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.